Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guide. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
Well, either way, you know what? I'm getting a little antsy and crazy right now. You know, I need a little mindfulness. I need a little calm in my life. That's exactly what Lyft is doing. They're partnering with Calm to bring free mindfulness content directly to drivers. What's your
How
mantra word?
fantastic. How fantastic.
Modem. What?
How fantastic. They're going to teach you how to meditate, and they're going to after every minimum 262 order in LA, they're going to send you to class to meditate, like my cancellation school, rehab school. They will send you to Calm. Hey, I'm not making fun of this. I mean, well, I want to make fun of this, but I don't want to make fun of this.
I'll make fun of it.
Okay, do you think this would have been better if this was like a financial literacy class or something like that?
Sure, but I mean, dude, seriously, I don't need you to tell me when to recharge. Like, I have my own little path. I've talked about. Oh, wow! Thank you for the super sticker. Holy shit!
Oh well, thank you, sir. Much appreciated. So Lyft says we recognize the full picture of who, whatever it says beyond RSG there, means to do this work. Okay, if you recognize, okay, cool. So stop the passive aggressive email, stop the 70-30 hocus pocus. Stop the shaving on scheduled trips. Lyft, there's a lot we can do about this. So that's why we're excited to introduce Calm Roads, a new offering that brings 10 guided meditations from Calm directly into Lyft app's learning center. How many of you are going to go take advantage of this? It's free, folks. This is basically your own, well, probably not your own shrink, but your own like yoga class or something like that. You know what I'm saying? So whether you want to start your driving session with a clear head, reset during a break, or decompress when you're done, these are sessions that could help you. And this is free in the Lyft app, Chris.
Look,
are you going to use this?
I will probably not use it, but honestly, I was just joking earlier. I said I wanted to make fun of it. It's actually a really good idea when it comes down to it, especially when you have to deal with some passengers and you just like, I don't want to. You know, sometimes it can definitely get into a funk and screw you up for a little bit. And if they have something where it's like a nice 10-minute guided meditation to calm down and relax from that jackass passenger that just got out of your car, you know what? Instead of going home and finishing your day because you're thrown off, maybe that meditation can actually help you continue on the day and pull back. So then that way you don't get that burnout or anything like that. So, you know, mindfulness and mental state is definitely big. Obviously things like physical activity are big as well too. And that's a big thing because how many people have started driving for Uber and Lyft at one weight and now you look down at your stomach and it's a little bit bigger. And it's unfortunately just because of the sedentary lifestyle of that. So the reality is, like I said, I have my own process and I do, you know, after about every hour, you know, I just pull off, turn the apps off for a minute and then actually get up and walk around the car for a minute, stretch. And I try to do that pretty diligently. Obviously, if it's really busy or something, you might go like 2-3 hours before you can do that. But if you get in the process of trying to do that, you know, just getting up, moving around, that can have a substantial impact as well, too, instead of just sitting there for 8, 10, 12 hours. But, you know, I mean, it's not too bad when it comes to these meditations, at least in my thought.
I'm going to have my yoga mat in the trunk. And when it comes to this, I'm going to, okay, so the perfect place for this, Chris, is LAX, right? I will never do it, but there are 500 drivers at all times in the queue. And, you know, when we did the New York Times story, there was literally a guy sitting on his hood meditating. I swear to God, okay? So I'm not kidding, folks. It's in the pictures in the New York Times story. Go check it out. So look,
was
Lyft,
AI, right?
yeah, I mean, look, this is cool, but Lyft, I'm going to be ringing you this week. We need to teach drivers how to budget. We need to teach drivers how to invest. Lyft. That's what we're going to do. And
Yep.
hopefully.
But my question to you is, will you be using this? Put it in the chat. Let us know what you think.
I'm going to give it a try.
Yeah.
I'm not joking.
I mean, the other, see, the thing that's nice about that is built in the app. So it's one of those things where it's like you can remember it, or you don't have to remember
No,
it.
I'm going to give it a try.
Notify you. But you know, there's so many different things on YouTube that you can find. There's so many different things, you know, on certain channels that you can find, like SiriusXM, I think, has like a yoga style channel, and like a meditation channel. So it's like real easy.
Well, that has happened to me multiple times with my charger in the back seat. The fuckers steal my chargers every time, bro.
That's why I lock mine up.
No,
they
now
can't
I don't
pull
have
it
a
off.
charger.
They lock it up and they get the little end.
No, I don't have a charger. They go like, you don't have a charger? Like, I think I hit it. I go like, they stole it like 12 times already. I go like, no, I don't have it. But I go, you can give me your phone and I can plug it to my charger up front. But
well, that's what I was going to say. That's exactly what I do. I just put it right into my.
That's right. Give me your phone.
Front. And
yeah,
then
but
that
they
way,
don't want to.
They don't
want to separate from their precious phone, right?
Well,
because
they don't really need
the wire is not long enough.
Well, that's the thing. They don't really need the charge then.
I'm going to use it. I'm going to use it because I'm going to write an article on our blog about
Wait a minute. Holy crap. Actually, David, holy shit. He gave us 2 super chats.
I know. David,
I didn't realize it was 2. Holy crap. Well,
all right, David Bradley.
That, David.
Okay, look, I'm a New Yorker, so I'm going to straight up come say it. What do you need? So if you need something, email me, Sergio at therideshareguy.com. Maybe I can help you. I don't know. I probably can't, but then, you know, I have these special powers.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.